In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Photopea text quickly and easily, even if you've never used the app before. This is a simple but powerful editing trick that can help you customize titles, labels, graphics, and social media designs in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text layer is selected. If you haven't added your text yet, you can still follow the same process after typing it in. To begin, choose the Type tool from the left toolbar. You can also press T on your keyboard as a shortcut, which makes things even faster. Once the Type tool is active, click directly on the text you want to edit. Now carefully highlight the specific letters or words that you want to change. This is important because Photopea lets you change the color of only part of the text, not just the entire text layer. So if you want one word in a title to stand out, this is exactly how you do it. After highlighting the text, look at the top options bar or check the character panel on the right side of the screen. In either place, you should see a color rectangle, which is the text color control. Click that color box to open the color picker window. This is where you can choose any color you want for your selected text. You can pick from the preset colors, move around the color slider, or enter exact color values if you want a specific brand color or a matching design color. Once you've found the color you want, click OK to apply it. And just like that, the selected letters or words will change color instantly. If you want to change another part of the text, simply highlight the next section and repeat the same steps. That's one of the best things about Photopea because it gives you a lot of control over text styling without needing expensive software. You can use this method to make headings more eye-catching, create better contrast, or match your text to the colors in your design. It's a really useful technique for thumbnails, banners, posters, and any graphic where text needs to stand out. So to recap, select the Type tool, highlight the text you want to modify, click the color rectangle, choose your new color, and press OK. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Photopea tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.